Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing or creating the models you want to mesh. Make sure you apply scale and rotation first, because Blender's modifiers depend on real transforms. Now, select the objects you'll combine and press Ctrl+J to join if needed, or keep them separate when using Boolean operations. Once done, switch to Edit mode and enable face orientation or normals display so you can see flips. This is critical for clean topology and predictable modifier behavior as you proceed. Next, focus on creating a clean, manageable mesh. You'll use loop cuts and bevels to add control, and merge vertices to eliminate T-junctions that create shading artifacts. For complex intersections, add a Boolean modifier, set it to difference or union, apply it, and immediately run remove doubles or merge by distance to clear duplicate verts. Make sure to recalculate normals and inspect for non-manifold edges. If you skip that, smoothing and subdivision will produce unpredictable results. To finish, stack your modifiers thoughtfully, apply remesh or subdivision last, and use shrink wrap or surface deform if you need precise projection. Unwrap UVs and set shading to smooth where appropriate, then decimate or retopologize if the poly count is excessive. If something looks wrong, start troubleshooting. Flip normals, run merge by distance, and inspect for hidden loose geometry. These steps usually resolve shading or gap issues. Finally, save incremental versions so you can revert if a fix creates new problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.